So we have on 412, possession of marijuana. We have possession of a controlled substance. 721, you pick up an unlawful carrying of a weapon while intoxicated, and another felony possession of marijuana. I'm sorry, 721, you pick up a felony possession of marijuana, DWI with a child, and now you've picked up the next day an unlawful carrying of a weapon.
No, sir, that happened all together, sir.
We're gonna do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything you say can and will be used against you.
Yes, sir.
All I know is that you are now on your 6th case. Please.
On July 21st, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for continuously failing to maintain a single lane of traffic and almost striking multiple vehicles in traffic cones and driving in 2 lanes at a time. The defendant was ID'd as the driver, and officers observed a small amount of marijuana on his lap. Officers also observed bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and the defendant admitted to consuming 2 to 3 shots and smoking marijuana prior to driving. An adult female was in the passenger front seat, and a 4-year-old.
And you have an affidavit that I ordered you not to drive.
And a 4-year-old child was in the car seat in the back seat. The scene was moved to a well-lit gas station, and the defendant was observed to have an odor of marijuana coming from his person, an odor of
Smoking dope in the car with a 4-year-old child?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, a 4-month-old?
No, sir.
4-year-old, but there was marijuana on his lap, and then officers smelled marijuana.
No, sir, I was not smoking in the car, sir.
Don't say anything.
Sir.
Mr. Walker,
Sir.
I am now going to serve you with a hearing as to why I shouldn't hold you in contempt of court. You promised me you wouldn't drive. You signed an affidavit with me that you wouldn't drive. And now you've picked up a DWI with a child passenger. You are now looking at 180 days in jail. I am now revoking your bonds, and I'm setting them all at $15,000. And I'm going to serve you with a new lawsuit as to whether I shouldn't hold you in contempt.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Unbelievable how he would get another general order bond. You said there was the odor of marijuana in the car, and how old was the child?
4, but an inventory search also recovered 130.8 grams of marijuana and 18.2 grams of mushrooms, 64.4 grams of THC liquid, 42.9 grams of liquid in vape pens, and then 1.2 grams of Xanax and a gun. So.
I find that you are a complete and utter danger to society, Mr. Walker. You refuse to comply with bond conditions. And I don't know if now CPS should get involved with your case, but I'm also now going to reach out to my staff lawyers to see if that's something that I should also have looked into, whether that baby is protected or whether CPS shouldn't get involved, because you have a complete whole host of 4 to 5 illegal drugs with a 4-year-old in the car. Does it say anything where the 4-year-old was buckled up, running loose?
In the back seat. So the baby was in the car seat.
Unbelievable. So, on the possession of marijuana, on the possession of a controlled substance, on the new gun case, all at 15,000, please. Yeah.
And Your Honor,
Or I don't know, maybe I'm gonna do higher. I don't know. I'm gonna go.
I was just gonna say procedurally, it looks like we charged him first for UCW while in talks under clause 2520890. That was no PC, so the actual case that we have in our court, the new law violation, is the one we're doing PC on is 2521021.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing PC on the new gun case that he just caught.
Correct, so I filed dismissal on that UCW law, it's also, it's just a refile of that case.
I see.
Yeah.
Who dismissed that one? The magistrate?
I filed this dismissal.
I mean,
Oh, who on the PC was the magistrate?
that's what I was wondering. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think probably 15,000 is just. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna set it at 30,000 on all of your cases, Mr. Walker.
Sir,
Like I said, I think that you're in utter, complete danger to society. You refuse to comply with bond conditions. You promised me you wouldn't drive, and here you are, you picked up a DWI with a child.
driving first, sir.
I'm not gonna talk to you about the case. I will appoint you a lawyer today, but, so I need you to do conditions that if he is released, he is not to have any contact with the 4-year-old child. He is not to drive. GPS monitor prior to release. Home confinement. Only to go to a doctor or to meet with a lawyer. No weapons. No drugs, no alcohol. He will be if he does bond out, he will be required to appear every Monday and Thursday to take a drug test. Anything else? Family? Anything else?
Judge, we'll defer to the court.
I think that's it, right? What we do? And then no driving. Yeah. He goes with you.
For both of his UCW,
So
possession of controlled substance, possession of marijuana, 30,000, all four.
all of them, yeah.
Just checking.
Well, no, there's only 3, right?
There's 3, and then there's one that was no PC.
Right, so that one they filed a dismissal on.
Oh, okay.
So they're gonna dismiss that
Gotcha.
because it's got refiled as this new one here. Unreal, unbelievable. I'm unreal.
Yeah.